The erection method, as you can see, all of these testing that had to be done in the concrete, we did not want to have any kind of controversial issue with the design team or the supervision consultant whatsoever about whether the curing, the shoring, whatever. We did the full-scale even mock-up on a typical slab to simulate the construction sequence of the slab and looking at the restraining effects of the wall and so on and so forth. Erection of the tower, obviously, initially we had one construction methods in which we had difficulty with the crane, and we had worked with Assam very closely to come up with a new plan in which we were able to change the construction method and simplifying it, essentially lifting only a single element instead of. There were some changes that we asked Assam to consider, and they were kindly accepted, most of it. Essentially, the lifting of the spire pinnacle, what we have, we start at the top of the concrete, which is at tier 16 or level 156, and start the concrete work. And as you can see here, this is just kind of simulating what is happening. You can see the pipe or the pinnacle is being erected at the same time that the rest of the building is being erected. Obviously, we have, again, this is just to walk you through the erection method for the spire, which you will see a little bit more clearly in the video. Essentially, it's a very complicated process, and the crane cannot go too far. It has to stop at some point, so everything that cannot reach has to be done from within the building itself, just like was done in many of New York projects, such as the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, and so on and so forth.